What's going on, you guys? Uncle Jessy here. That video description is not clickbait. I am going full-time here on YouTube, sort of. Let's talk about that. What I said is more or less true. I don't normally do this full time. There's no way in this world that doing videos, at least on my end of things, would be able to support myself and my family here financially if I was just to do this full time. So I'm basically able to now do this sort of on a trial basis here for the next month. So for pretty much the entire month of April, I'm going to be going all in on YouTube and making content for you guys. So there is a ton of projects that I'm going to be cranking out over the next month for you guys. So I'm asking for from you guys is a little bit of your time watching these videos, checking out my social media posts. I'll be posting more over on Instagram. I plan on posting more stories over there as well. If you're not following me, Uncle Jessy for real over on the Instagrams. But yeah, I'm actually really looking forward to cranking out a lot more projects for you guys. I have a lot of different things planned and in mind, and the first one is easily the most requested video for probably the last few months now, and that's the Frozen Transform versus the Peopoly Phenom. And that's had already started and it's now restarted again, and the plan is to get that out in the next week here, so to kick things off really hot and fresh for you guys. I'm also using some of this time to actually learn a new skill, which I would highly recommend you do as well. Find something that you're passionate about and interested in. Find some tutorials online. There are a lot of free things here that you can look up on right here on the YouTubes. It's what I'm taking advantage of as well. Learning some ZBrush and other 3D modeling. Not that I'm anywhere proficient to make anything cool, but as soon as I am, I'll be printing it and sharing it with you guys. So hopefully you're safe at home with your family and loved ones, or close to them, or staying in contact with them and staying sane in these crazy, absolutely crazy times. Hopefully you're doing okay work-wise as well. If you're not, hang in there. I know things are going to turn back around here in the upcoming months. They have to here, right? They have to. So I just want to say thanks again so much for watching, everybody. Again, stay tuned. I will be cranking out some new videos here, hopefully multiple in the upcoming weeks. So again, stay tuned very soon for that Frozen Transform versus Peopoly Phenom video. They'll be coming up here in the next few days. Hey, thanks again for watching, you guys, and I will see y'all next time. Bye now. And if I didn't quite explain the sorta portion of the description from the video, I still have a job. This isn't my full-time job. YouTube, there's no way making these videos would support myself and my family at this point in time in my video making endeavors. But yeah, I have a lot of excess free time here over the upcoming weeks, so looking to take advantage of that to make more content for you guys. So really excited about that, and then getting back into the swing of things come May, June-ish. Knock on wood, things start to go back to normal. Hey, thanks again for watching, guys.